You know those billion-dollar listings you see online? The glossy mansions, the penthouse tours, the beachfront compounds in Malibu or Mayfair. That's not where the real game is played. Because the properties that truly matter, the ones billionaires fight over, never hit the internet. They never get listed. They're off-market, quiet, invisible to the public. And once you understand how it really works, you'll never look at real estate the same way again. In New York, there's a townhouse on the Upper East Side that hasn't been publicly listed in over 2 decades. But it's changed owners 4 times. Quietly. Through whispers. Private networks. Handshakes behind closed doors. No for sale sign. No photos. Just a quiet inquiry from someone who already knows the right people. That's off-market. Off-market real estate isn't just a buying strategy. It's a form of power. It means you don't wait in line. You don't compete with bids. You operate in a world where everything is offered to you before the rest of the world even knows it exists. It's the private club of property. And membership is invitation only. There's a term in high-end real estate called whisper listings. These are properties so exclusive, the only way to hear about them is through a direct connection. An architect, a billionaire's advisor. It's not what you know, it's who trusts you. In London, a property in Belgravia worth over £30 million was recently sold without a single photo ever being published. The deal was arranged between 2 parties at a private art auction. It wasn't just a sale but a signal. A quiet transfer of status from one name to another. The public never even knew. These deals are fast, discreet, and often in all cash. Because the people buying aren't looking for a home. They're looking for legacy. A foothold in the right postcode. They don't just want a place to live. They want to own a name. A street. A view that only 10 people in the world can wake up to. But here's the catch. You can't buy your way into this world. Not at first. You need relationships. And if you talk too much or ask the wrong questions, the doors stay closed. Because in off-market real estate, secrecy is the asset. Privacy is the luxury. Invisibility is the liability. There's a reason you'll never see some of the most powerful people in the world at open houses. They're not walking through staged kitchens or flipping through glossy brochures. They're sending private letters, speaking to family offices, having dinner with the right broker's right-hand person. The properties you see online are the leftovers. The real power plays happen behind the curtain. No listings, no tours, just access. And if you have to ask, you're not ready. So the next time you scroll through luxury real estate and wonder where the truly incredible homes are, remember this. The ones that matter aren't meant to be seen. They're meant to be found, quietly, and only by those who already live in that world.